What do you see on the screen? A black mark? I'm sure nobody would have seen it like a white background with a black mark. For the next few minutes, let's see how our good thoughts and bad thoughts quarrel between each other. Depression. How many of you know the reasons for depression? Yes, you're right. The situations or the problems causes depression. And most importantly, it's us who feed it. Here are a few situations that lead us to depression. But as I told you, it's you who feed it.
Sir, please, sir, don't remove me from the job, sir. Please, sir. Sir, what will I do, sir? Please.
It's okay. Don't worry. Excuse me? What the hell is okay? Listen, you have lost your job and this is the end of your life. No, it's not the end. Even you know that. Everything happens for a reason. You shut up, good thoughts. It's over for you. Just end your life. You might get another job, but not another life. Maybe you deserve something better. Know your worth.
What? How did I get so low marks? I studied so hard. I tried my best. How will I tell Mummy and Papa?
Who will get such bad marks? Shame on you. You're fit for nothing. What will your parents say to your relatives and friends? You better kill yourself. Because you made your parents shameful in front of everyone. Please stop bad thoughts. Listen. Your parents love you more than their friends, family and everyone because you are important to them and they will understand you. Or be depressed because depression is a solution. You please don't do something foolish like this bad thought is telling, okay? Maybe you're not good at studies. But that doesn't mean that you're not good at anything. So, know your worth.
You and I are no more friends. I trusted her so much. Why does everyone hurt me?
Don't worry. You have other true friends who genuinely care and respect you. Don't listen to that. That true friends, they will also become selfish one or the other day. Even your friends don't like you. Why are you alive, kid? After all, you are your own best friend. And I think you are enough for yourself. All you need to do is know your worth.
How could you cheat me and leave me in this situation? It's over between you and me. How could he cheat me? I've lost my love. I've lost everything.
I knew this would happen. Take this. There's no point of you being alive even after this. No, stop! No one loves you. What is the use of living? So better kill yourself. No, that's not true. You have your parents, yourself, and your friends. And I think that's enough. So what? What do you even have in life after you lost your love? You have your dreams, your ambitions, and that's enough for you to love yourself and live life. Know your worth. So, whom would you choose?
I'm strong and I know my worth now.
By now, most of you would have related to one or the other situations. Whereas others would be wondering, what? People get depressed for such silly matters? Yes, they do. As I said earlier, it's all within us. Fight back. If you're unable to do it, share it with your friends, family, and get help.